So recently I have posted quite a lot of videos on this Samsung Galaxy Note 9 on this channel, and you guys seems to enjoyed it. You guys wanted to see tips and tricks video of this smartphone, so I have curated a list like more than 20 tips, tricks and hidden features of this Note 9. So if you watch this full video, then you will master your Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and you will become a pro of using this smartphone. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is a tips and tricks video of Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Let's begin. So first of all guys, before starting this video, if you wanna see behind the scene or if you wanna just be my friend, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The handle is Tech Buffet. So go to settings, go to connections and scroll down, then you will find this more connection setting. Just tap on it and then you will find guys this download booster. Just enable it. It is very awesome feature. After enabling it guys, so as you see over here, you can use Wi-Fi as well as your 4G data simultaneously. I mean, you can use Wi-Fi as well as the 4G data together to download any stuff. It will basically boost the download speed. That is very awesome feature. Go to sound and vibration. Here you can customize a lot of settings like vibration intensity. How much vibration intensity do you want to your phone to have? As you hear, this phone is vibrating now. See, the haptic feedback motor of this smartphone is pretty powerful. Then you will find this sound quality and effects option. From here you can customize a lot of things, especially while you are using your earphones with this smartphone. Yeah, this smartphone comes with 3.5mm audio jack. That is pretty neat, isn't it? So you can use a lot of things over here. You have adapt sound here. Basically it can adapt according to your hearing, according to your age. After that, go to this option guys. This is very cool feature. Just go to this application and enable it. Like if I want to watch video and my friend want to listen a song, then use any Bluetooth headset and connect it with your device and just go and select YouTube app and here select your phone. After that, if I go to JioSaavn or whatever music player you have and play songs over here, basically this song is playing in this earphone as you hear. And now if I wanted to play videos, let me show you.
You guys know that I have a soft corner for Indian tech companies, right? And
so as you see over here guys, the video is playing in the smartphone from the speakers of the smartphone, and this thing is also working. As you are hearing in this Bluetooth earphone, the song is playing. That is this song, Milegi, something like that. And this video is also playing here in the smartphone. Then after that guys, after that thing, just go to display. Here you find a lot of customization like blue light filter. You can enable blue light filter from here. So with that blue light that the display emits, basically it hampers the melatonin hormone and it prevents that. And you can also schedule that too from here. After that, so if you want to customize the colors of your screen, you can do it from here, from screen mode. And after that, you can also change the resolution of the screen. By the way, this smartphone's display has 2K resolution, right? So you can use either 2K or Full HD plus or 720p display, whatever you like. And also you have easy mode over here. You can use it if you want to give this smartphone to some elder people. If you want to add frames or change the icon shape, you can do that from here. Then after that, you have navigation bar option over here. Basically customize this navigation option. I can change the strip color and you can also adjust the pressure button. Basically this is the software button and you can also press it. Yeah, you can actually press it. It feels like you're pressing, but it gives you haptic feedback and simulating the actual button like physical button. So yeah, that's very awesome. Unlock with home button, and you can also change the position of these buttons. This edge screen is very cool feature guys. If you enable this edge screen, then you will find this small little edge over here, and when you like swipe like this from the edge, you will find some of the options, some of the apps. So yeah, and also from here guys, if you enable this, when you receive call, the side edge is glowing in green color, and when your phone is upside down, you will see the edge lighting glowing, and it looks pretty cool. and it will notify you basically. That's a thing. And after that you have wallpaper and themes option over here. You can change wallpaper, you can change themes from here, you can also change font, icon, style, text, and a lot of other things. You can customize your smartphone with this feature. After that, go to advanced feature. Here you find a lot, like literally plethora of features over here. Just go to S Pen, then you will find amazing features of S Pen. First of all, S Pen remote, just enable it. It's very useful feature. Basically what it does, when you remove your S Pen, it becomes a remote. As you see, there are so many features that you can use with this S Pen remote. As you see on this S Pen, you have this button. Using this button you can control a lot of things. For example, let me go to the camera. I can take selfie like this. If I press this, it will capture selfie. As you see over here, it captures. If I double press this button, it will go back on the image. If I single press, it will go next image, next image, next image, next image, previous image, like that. So it acts as a remote, and you have to basically, by default it was enabled, but I am telling you that it has a very nice feature in the S Pen setting. And also you can, as you see, you can change the photos in the gallery, you can change the songs in the YouTube, as well as some other places. You can use it in a PowerPoint, so you can also give the presentation with this S Pen. That is very nice. And as you see, you have unlock with S Pen option. If you can enable it, so you can unlock your smartphone with S Pen. You have air view. So yeah, you have direct pen input, pointer, shortcuts. You can assign different shortcuts over here in this option. Basically you can also add different shortcuts over here if you want. Basically you can enable the sound. When you put pen inside, it will make a sound. After that, you have accessories. You can enable it. Basically it's a fast charging. By default it was enabled, but if it didn't, you can enable it and use the fast charging. You have smart stay. Smart stay keeps your screen on while you're looking at it by using the front camera to detect your face. Understood? Then after that, you have game launcher over here. It's very cool feature if you can enable it. So you have a game setting. You have one-handed mode, enable it. It's very useful feature. So after enabling it, if you want to use your phone with one hand, just swipe up like that. Yeah, now as you see, it becomes one-handed friendly, and I can use it however I like. Then after that, you have fingerprint gesture option. Just enable it. After enabling it, when, as you see, this is a fingerprint scanner. If I swipe down, the notification shade comes down. That's very nice. You have device assistant app. That is not useful in my opinion. Multi-window, you can enable this option to get in multi-window. This is a multi-window setting. You can use two applications side by side. You have easy mute option. If you're getting call, just put your smartphone like this and it will mute, or just put your palm over here, it will mute it. You have smart alert. When your phone is resting on a table and you receive any notification and you missed it, and after some time when you pick your phone, the phone will vibrate and tell you that you have a notification. Then after that, you have this smart capture option. It's a like screenshot option. Enabling it will enable the screenshot system, and you have palm swipe to capture. Just enable it. It's very useful. After enabling it, as you see, if I do that, basically swipe my palm on the screen, it takes screenshot. Then after that, you have direct call, easy mute. Direct call is very useful feature in some situation, like if I open some contact over here, and if I put my smartphone and bring it to my ear, it will make a call. So it's kind of a neat feature and kind of a gimmicky too. Then you have dual messenger. If you want to use two WhatsApp or two Facebook in this smartphone, you can do that from here. You don't have to download any extra application for using two WhatsApp in a same smartphone. Then after that, you have video enhancer. It will increase the dynamic range and saturate the colors more, so the video viewing experience will become better. Then you get this panic mode. It's very useful feature, guys. Just go to this option, just enable it. Press the power key 3 times to call the emergency number 111 when you are in emergency situation. Then after that, guys, go to device maintenance. You have built-in virus scanner. So you can scan your phone, scan the viruses, does it have any viruses or something like that. And also you have a RAM cleaner, you can increase the performance over here. You have performance mode. It's very useful feature, guys. If you want to increase the performance of your smartphone, it will help to increase that. You have game mode, entertainment mode, and high performance mode. And then after that you have a storage cleaner option over here. You can clean the storage, clean the cache memory and something like that. And you have memory cleaner, you can clean the RAM from here. That's very bad thing. I don't clean the RAM that usually, but yeah, you have the option over here. You don't have to download any separate application for that. So now go to the lock screen. So as you see, you have screen lock type, swipe, pattern, pin, password as usual, and then none. Then you have intelligence scan, face scan, and iris scanner. Iris scanner is the sensor over here which scan your iris and open it. It's very secure thing. And you have fingerprint scanner, and all works pretty fine. As you see, fingerprint opened. You have iris over here. If I do this, as you see it opened. The iris scanner works pretty fine, so you can use iris scanner. And yeah, it also works in a night situation. That is very nice. And you have face scanner, and you have intelligent scan, so it uses face plus iris scanner together, as you see over here. So yeah, after that you have always on display. It's very nice feature. I love always on display, but it has to be have on the AMOLED devices, otherwise it saves the battery a lot. So home button plus, you can choose the combination home button plus clock or only home button. Like right now I have chosen the home button plus clock. The clock is over here and home button is over here. And by the way, this home button is pressable. If I press, I'll get a feedback and it simulates a real button. You can also schedule the always on display. If you want to turn off the always on display in the night situation, then you can do that too. You can change the clock style of your lock screen. If I want this clock, then I can do that. So as you see, I got this clock type over here. So yeah, you can also add, like, this is tech buffets phone. If I enter this, as you see, it is showing that it is tech buffets phone. So yeah, it's kind of a very useful feature. In the lock screen, guys, you can also change the app shortcuts. Basically on the lock screen, you have on the left you have this call, and on the right you have the camera. You can change it to whatever you like. For example, if I want to open my Gmail, then I can do that. As you see right now, I got the Gmail over here. See, Facebook is sending me a notification that people are visiting to Tech Buffet and haven't heard from you. I don't have any followers on Facebook, so that's why I'm not posting anything on Facebook. You guys should follow me on Facebook as well as on Instagram, right? That would be very nice for me as well as for you too. After that, go to accessibility. Here you will find vision. You can increase your vision. You have high contrast font. You can enable it, so the contrast will be popping. As you see over here, it's very useful. You have show button shape. It will show the shape of the buttons. And after that, you have magnification window over here. Yeah, see, you have a window which magnifies the whole thing. If you have any vision problem, then you can use it. Then you have magnification gesture over here. That's very bad feature. I mean, for me, not for a lot of people. Like if I want to use this thing, I can just triple tap and it will, see, it will zoom the full screen, and just triple tap again to zoom out the screen. Okay, then go to hearing. You have sound detector. That's very nice. It is for deaf persons. Doorbell detector. It's very nice feature. And then after that, you have a lot of settings over here, which is not that useful for abled person, but for disabled this is very useful. So now go to the home screen setting. Just pinch in and go to home screen setting. From here you can adjust a lot of things. For example, you can use the old style with that app bar, basically this app drawer thing, but I don't like this app drawer thing, so I like the home screen only option. So I use this home screen only option. So here we go. Then after that, you can also change the grid, whatever grid I like 5x5, 6x5, 4x5, but 5x5 is good for me. You can also change the badges, and then you have quick notification panel. If I wanted to open notification, it don't open the notification, I have to do that. So for that, it's very big phone, right? So enable this, and after enabling this, if I swipe down from anywhere on the screen, it will open the notification shade. That's very nice. Then you have portrait mode only. So if you want to rotate your home screen, then you have to enable it. It looks pretty cool, isn't it? And then you have hide apps over here. You can hide the application, which application you like, you can hide it from there. So yeah, that's all the applications and features and hidden features that I found in this smartphone. I hope you do find this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button and share this video with your friends who are using Samsung Galaxy Note 9 or any other Note devices. Like, subscribe first, bell, yeah, press that bell icon. So yeah, if you have any suggestion to improve my videos, then yeah, do comment it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.